Always alerting, always tracking. This is Next Weather.
All right, Next Weather Chief Meteorologist and Hurricane Specialist Ivan Cabrera joins us now with a look at the forecast. You mentioned Tuesday's forecast, but there could be early voting this weekend as well.
That's
so
right.
we want
I
it to
already
look
see
good.
the word showers behind them.
There are just a couple of showers. Everything okay at home with the trick-or-treaters?
Oh my gosh, there's still lots of cleanup that needs to happen. That was wild.
There may still be a line out there. All right. We'll check in on November. You know, the seasons are changing here. I still don't see a cold front, but the showers, that's something we're going to have to deal with over the weekend. Not going to be a huge deal, but a little bit higher coverage tomorrow than Sunday. And that Caribbean tropical potential system that we've been talking about for the entire week, it's like 2 weeks now, that has a much higher chance now of development. We'll see where that goes. And then, of course, the election day forecast. We'll talk about some increasing showers, in part associated with increasing moisture from the tropics here. But first as we get through your Friday evening, still have to dodge a few showers here across Broward County. Look at Pompano Beach there, Deerfield Beach. These are fast movers, but still they'll provide us with some quick downpours here as everything continues to push off towards the west. Parkland, Coral Springs, we'll get into that, and then eventually heading off towards the Everglades. But we have a little bit more just to the east there, and so that will continue bringing in a few showers. We have a couple that have now pushed off to the west. Through your Saturday, showers increasing a little bit as far as the coverage, about 30%. It'll remain breezy. The winds won't be as strong, so boating conditions are looking better for both weekend days, although the rip currents are still going to be there. And we'll still have isolated rain showers. I think that's a good characterization. By the time we get into Monday, no big change, but the wind is going to start increasing. That low that we'll talk about in a second down to the south and the big high pressure to the north in between will be, and so that's going to increase our wind speed. So we'll start talking about some significant gusts over 30 miles an hour. So election day itself, windy with increasing shower chances here. So if you prefer just a completely dry day, Sunday is the pick of the weekend here. I think we'll have a little more shower activity heading into tomorrow. There's your Next Weather rain tracker for the afternoon. We'll see those showers coming in, and some will be locally heavy, but because the flow is so fast, I'm not worried about anything as far as any flooding or anything like that. But there you see on Saturday, looking drier as that little wedge of moisture begins to push off towards the Gulf. In the tropics, 70% chance of development down to the south. That's the area that we've been monitoring here for potential development. There's nothing there. This is just a potential development because the models can go out and see a couple of weeks into the future. This area of 10% will get absorbed, as we talked about yesterday, into the 70. But here's the latest European run here as it continues to kind of get a broad low circulation going. There is so much hostility in the month of November in the tropics that these systems have to overcome a lot. Cooler temperatures and very strong winds aloft, and that's going to be the issue with this here. This will get perhaps into the Gulf, but it doesn't look like it's going to organize much. That could change, and we'll keep you posted. But what I'm thinking here for us heading into Wednesday especially is the northern shield of that higher atmospheric moisture is going to get to us here, so our rain chances are going to go up, and you'll see that in the 7-day forecast with Sunday featuring less rain chances here coming up. There is a 7-day with rain chances about 40% now for election day, so keep that in mind. Temperatures in the mid-80s. We'll keep that bit higher rain chance Wednesday, and then diminishing coverage by the end of the week.